Alright, a little bit more, and done. Alright, look great! Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like this. This looks great. Alright, time to get on my next picture. I didn't make a background for this one yet, so, let me just grab the pen. Here we go. Alright, you gotta do a little bit here, a little bit here. Yeah! And I still need to work with the background. I'm thinking about what the background should be. Yeah. What's that? Greetings. I am Dr. Fetus. You? That's not the reaction I was going for. I am here to destroy you and your universe. Cool, you're like the second guy who wants to mess with my universe. Yeah. So, oh, shit. You like coloring? You want to color or something? Or you want some water? How do you drink? Yeah. Are you seriously not scared of me? Like, not even intimidated or anything? Man, your name's Dr. Fetus. I don't know what you expect with a name like that. You know what? Screw this. I'm just gonna kidnap that guy. Wait, that's my friend! No! Get back here, Dr. Fetus! What am I gonna do? That bitch took my friend. I guess all I can do now is eat this comically sized piece of meat. Meat boy! What the frick are you? Meat boy! Meat boy! Okay, cool, but why are you here? Meat boy! Meat boy! Meat boy! Yeah, I totally know what you're saying. I honestly don't know what the hell you're saying, man. Wait, what are you doing? Meat boy. Oh, Dr. Foot Fetish. Yeah, I know where he is. You think you help me get him? Meat boy. Alright, let's go! Stop right there! What the? Wait, what's that about? Meat boy! Wait, hold on! Meat boy! Wait for me! Oh boy, I can do this. Ow! What the? Oh, that hurt bad. Meat boy. Meat boy. Ow. Okay, I can do this one. Alright, Ow! Why? Ow! Oh, why? My head. Meat boy. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, hey, Dr. Dad. Oh, we saved the day. What do you mean a trap? Oh, that's better. What the? Oh, you two made it. Great. Anyway, I'll be taking him now. And also, I have a little present for you. Bye. Well, hey! Huh. I wonder what he means by present. Oh, not this guy again. I am the great mighty Pooh, and I am going to beat the shit out of you. 2. Oh my gosh, how many times are you going to appear on this damn channel? What? Nothing. Oh my god. We're gonna beat you up, okay? Alright, but can you defeat my poo-ness? It's poo-ness. Please stop trying to rhyme. I know you can talk normal. But I'm the great mighty Pooh. And I have to rhyme. Don't you? Okay, that was a pretty good one, but no, I don't have the rhyme. But I have to rhyme every time I talk. I like eating chalk. That was shit. Like literal shit. Like you. Screw you, asshole. You're asshole. Please stop. This is cringy. This is so cringy, and I believe it is filler. I mean, I'm looking at the numbers right now, and it's like somewhere around the 1 minute mark. You're cringy, everyone. Oh yeah? Well, you still can't beat me. Eat me. Don't eat me. Please, stop. Hold on. I got a good way to beat you. So you have the rhyme time you talk, right? Yes. Guess. Okay, yeah. Rhyme purple. Purple. Nurple. Nurple's not a word. Yes, it is. Give me a kiss. That doesn't even rhyme. Yes, it does. Santa Claus. Can you beat the shit out of this guy? Meat pie. Wait, what? Meat pie. You can't beat me. You're just a meat thing. Meat pie. Meat pie. Oh. Meat pie. Meat pie. Meat pie. Oh my gosh, thank you. That guy was so annoying. I hate him so much. Meat pie. Wait, we gotta go with this after that. Come on, let's go. You know, this is my favorite flavor of Hawaiian Punch right here. I love this flavor. It's delicious. You will care, because it's all you'll be drinking. I also got you some Play-Doh to eat. It's pretty good. Stop whining like a little bitch. Anyway, so, what are your days like? Stop right there! You two again! Can't you just leave me alone? No. Wait, you have all the best flavors of Play-Doh? What do you mean, what? I like eating Play-Doh, don't you? He has all the good flavors. He has raspberry, lemon, blue raspberry, and you got my favorite Hawaiian Punch flavor. I know, it's good, right? Yeah, it's good. Oh yeah, we're gonna save you. Oh yeah. Anyway, so listen here, we're gonna stop you, okay? Like hell you'll do that. So you see, I have my ultimate weapon.
Mean Meat Machine!
What the frick? Behold my greatest creation, the Mean Meat Machine. With this machine, I'll finally be able to kill you, meat boy. Meat boy. Oh, trust me, you won't survive this. Meat boy? Oh, dang, get wrecked, kid! What the? Oh! Watch this. Grip! That's it. Ah! crap. Come here. Oh, crap. I hopping out. Meat boy. What the? Meat boy. No, what are you doing? Get off of me, you stupid little meat boy. Meat boy. Meat boy. Meat boy. What the? Look what you did! Now it's just a meat machine! That sounds gay as shit! Meat boy. Screw your sweat piece of meat! I have an idea. Meat boy! Meat boy! Meat boy! Yes! Finally! I finally killed you! Alright. Now, where's that pathetic shark? No! I'm gonna pay for it now. Alright, come out, you stupid shark. You'll be treated just like Meat Boy. Get off of me! I need this. Emergency. My emergency. My emergency muscle. Go! No! What the? Meat Boy. Oh, that's some bullshit! Meat Boy. How dare you! You're take a stupid squid! I'll be back! I'll be back! Meat Boy. We did it! You're saved! Thank you, Mr. Meat Boy! Meat Boy! Actually, hey, do you want to live with us? Meat Boy! Yay, new member of the team! We're a team now, right? There's like 3 of us. Meat Boy. Yeah, we're a team! Let's go eat some food! Yay! I'll be back too. 'Cause I am the great mighty poop. Ow! No one cares!